So let's take a look at an indices question from the 2019 Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Paper 1. It's question 6b, and we're given an equation 2 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 64. Generally with this type of equation where the x is in the power, we'd like to have the same base number on each side. Well, what do we mean by base numbers? Well, if we break down powers into two parts, the small number is called the exponent and the large number is called the base. And so we can see on the left hand side, our number is in exponent form. The exponent is 2x minus 1. And we'd like to turn 64 into 2 to the power of something. So to try and turn 64 into 2 to the power of something, we can start with 2 squared is 2 by 2, which is 4. 2 cubed is 2 by 2 by 2, which is 8. 2 to the power of 4 is 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, which is 16. 2 to the power of 5 we're going to multiply by another 2, so that's 32. And 2 to the power of 6 will multiply by one further 2 and we get 64. It's worth learning a few of these for bases of 2, but it can also be worth learning the first few for 3s and 5s as well. For example, 3 squared is 9, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, 3 to the power of 4 is 81, and so on. For 5s, we have 5 squared is 25, 5 cubed is 125, 5 to the power of 4 is 625. So if we learn a few of them, or at least if we know how to calculate them on the day, we'll be able to turn numbers that are not in power form into power form. So going back to the question we have, on the left hand side we have 2 to the power of 2x minus 1. And on the right hand side I'm going to turn 64 into 2 to the power of 6. As this is an equation, we can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and because the two base numbers are the same, the exponents on each side must be the same. Therefore, 2x minus 1 must be equal to 6. So we're now going to solve this linear equation for x. So we add 1 to both sides and we get 2x is equal to 6 plus 1. So 2x is equal to 6 and 1 is 7. If we divide both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 7 over 2. So again, the key thing in a question like this is to get both sides to have the same base number. We can then equate the powers and solve for x. It's worthwhile just recognizing some of the powers for 2s, 3s, and 5s.